Very unfortunately, you may not think it's actually the case, but it is. A situation where nature is strangulated, nature is manhandled by men using religion. Religion is the bedrock of every atrocity committed by man. Looking at these priests, just watch them. These are our young men, and they have evaded nature through these religious institutions. These religious institutions have called them to evade nature by not getting married, by not bearing children, by making sure that nature is preserved through begetting of children, which is natural, something nature calls you to do every day. Nature calls them every day, but they, because of what the institution have told them, have been able to evade this call by nature. And this is what you get when religion takes over your land and makes sure that your able men are made to be impotent. They have made our men impotent, and this was never in any way natural or cultural in Africa. And we must try our best to see how we can stop this menace going on, destroying our young men and young women. Don't you think this is depopulation in progress?